Let me show you how to schedule a Webex meeting by using the Cisco Webex Meetings Scheduler for Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Office 365. You can add Webex meetings and personal room meetings directly from your Outlook calendar. In Microsoft Outlook, add a new appointment by double-clicking the appropriate date and time in the calendar view. In the new appointment, go to the Cisco Webex group on the toolbar and click Add Webex Meeting. In the Cisco Webex Meetings Scheduler window, click Get Started, enter your Webex site URL, and then click Next. Sign into your Microsoft account by entering in your email address and then clicking Next. Enter your password and then click Sign In. Click Add Webex Meeting to add a Webex meeting to your appointment. To add attendees to an appointment, go to the Attendees group on the toolbar and click Invite Attendees. Invite attendees by entering in their email addresses in the To field. Specify other meeting information, such as the subject, location, start time, and end time. Click Send when you're ready to invite your attendees to your Webex meeting. To reschedule or add additional participants to your meeting, go to the Calendar view in Microsoft Outlook and double-click the meeting entry. You can then update the meeting topic, add attendees, or adjust the meeting times. When you finish updating your meeting, click Send Update. You can also update your meetings in the Microsoft Outlook web app or mobile app. The Webex Meetings Scheduler adds a standard Webex meeting or a Webex personal room meeting based on your preferences. To change your preferences, click Webex Preferences. Under Default Meeting Type, choose between a standard Webex meeting or a Webex personal room meeting and then click Save. Whenever you click Add Webex Meeting, your default meeting type will always be added. To see the Cisco Webex Meetings Scheduler, your IT administrator must add the Cisco Webex Meetings Scheduler add-in to your Office 365 account, or you can add it yourself from the Microsoft Office store. Your Webex site administrator must also configure the Webex Meetings Scheduler for Office 365. Give it a try.